oftentimes these books, and coming from a really good place, oftentimes we write these books in ways that can be really thick, really jargony. And I don't know how you guys are who are watching this, but I know when I'm stressed that if I'm listening to a whole bunch of jargon or something that's really complicated, my brain is just not taking it in. My brain is just going like it's just not understanding it. And so the book is designed to speak to the individual, giving them what they need in order to understand it. If a person wants to go off and read about every subtype of every diagnosis or every classification of every medication that there's plenty of books to do that, right? There's the internet for that. There's all these places that you could do it. The book is designed to talk to the individual so they can pick it up, understand what's going on, and then immediately go out and apply these things. And it's talking in a respectful way to the individual about their own life, or their loved or a person's loved one's life, and in a way that they can, it's just useful. It's not about me feeling really good about all this stuff that I learned over these years. And I mean, listen, I love my big words. Ask anybody who knows me. Like, I love my big words, but it doesn't help somebody get back to living their life when these experiences can be so frightening. And so I wanted a book that somebody could pick up and go, oh, I get this. But it's also not talking down to somebody. It's going, hey, I know how to get out of this thing. Let's get out of this thing together.